Hello! In this video I will show you how you can import and update products from the catalogs of your suppliers quickly and easily. I will be using the XML Import add-on by Syntax Development to do this. First of all, I will show you how an XML file looks like. Say this is a catalog of my supplier. You can see that there are some images, some descriptions, amount of products, categories of products, and so on. Let's go to the admin panel and see the add-on, how it looks like. I go to Add-ons, XML Import, and here I create a new one. I add an import. I've got a choice where my catalog is located. It might be on my computer, somewhere on my server, or at a URL. I choose URL, copy it, and paste it here. Click OK. I will also give a name. For example, first supplier. Now we can choose a vendor if we are in a multi-vendor store. We can choose a language, and we can choose a delimiter. I will show you what is a delimiter in our file. A delimiter is a special symbol which shows the route to the category. For example, I will show you a category. Okay, here is a category video games, which has a subcategory PlayStation 3. There might be lots of different subcategories inside one another, and the delimiter helps to specify which subcategory follows another subcategory. So I go back here. Here I use 3 slashes. There might be another symbol, for example dash or anything else, but in my case there are just slashes. Now let's see other fields. Here is image directory field. It means that if you have one particular folder where all images are stored, you can specify it here. The same is with files. If you like, you can specify how prices will be separated. I mean that, for example, $1.99 or, for example, $1.99. You can also create price margin or price discount in percent or in dollars, for example, $1. And you can see here a list of the fields those will be imported. The product name is obligatory. You can understand why, I suppose, because you should know what you are importing. The category field is also obligatory if you are doing an import for the first time. Now let's go to the second tab. I click Create, and now we will see 2 more fields. Okay, here is the fields mapping. In this section I have to specify which field of the file relates to which field of the store. For example, product ID. Let's find product code here. Next, let's add a product name. Product. Please note that all the developers of XML file do different structure of the file. That is why the add-on is so flexible. You can find the names of the fields you need. Also, we have to specify the category, as we are doing our import for the first time. Okay, of course we will need the price. Okay, let's save. I will not be imported all the fields simply to save time. Now the category mapping opens. What you can see here are the categories from the XML file. It's quite normal that the categories from the file are not the same as the categories in your store. So you can either link a category from the file to another category from your store, or you can create a new category. For example, I click Create Category. I can choose where the category will be created. Let it be in the computers. For example, I click Create. OK, and now it has been created. Let's see how import is going on. I click Import, and here we can see how many objects have been imported, how many updated objects we have, and if there are any skipped objects. So in total we have uploaded 28 items. Of course, if you are having a larger catalog, it will take much more time, but still is quite fast. Let's see the settings of the add-on. Those you may also specify. I go to Manage Add-ons, open third-party add-ons, and XML file. As you can see, if you are on a multi-vendor store, you can decide if you want your vendors to import products with this add-on or not. You can also see here a cron script, a link to a cron script, of course. It means that you can choose if you want to update the products in your store automatically. For example, you can check for new prices once a week and the prices will be updated. That's all. Thank you for watching, and please be free to ask me if you have any questions. Thank you.